Normally I'd be naked right now. Right. Yeah.
For the sake of this video, we decided to please keep the Brawny man closed, but
John's been fondling me for years. There are a lot of benefits. I'd say there's 4 benefits. I come here because I get sore because I was born with a slight curvature in my spine, so I've been going to chiropractors all my life. And so working without pain is one of the benefits. And the second benefit is it's close to my house, you know, and they've got great customer service here. And then the third one is borderline sociopathy. That's one of the added benefits that I've gotten. I'm dead inside. I don't feel emotions normally anymore. I attribute that to chiropractics. And then the fourth and final benefit is, you know, I get John's hands on my body, which is just, you know, that's, yeah, you can't put a price on that.
You can't.
You really can't.
on your back here, bud.
No.
I just tapped you twice right there. All right, let's get you here.
All right.
She's got to come up close here and take a look.
Sure.
It's really not hard to adjust the Brawny man, the body double. How long has your beard been growing for now?
Since 2014.
2014?
Yeah.
You started the wave. Oh, there we go. Any good? Perfect.
So it's important to relax while you're getting adjusted too. If you tense up, the adjustment's not going to go as well as you. So just relax and trust Dr. J because he knows what he's doing. So.
I'm not getting out the same thing in this video. You're just going to say it all for me.
Well, breathing's important too. You know, when he's was compressing my chest, you don't want to hold your breath. You want to let it out slowly, and he'll time the compression.
On your side here, like you're laying.
The side.
Yep.
Okay.
Let's get the hip here. You must be a painter.
Yes, sir.
There we go. Let's get you outside here.
Yeah, I gave you a price to paint this office, and you used someone else.
Did I?
Yeah.
I didn't make that call.
Allegedly. That's all right. All's fair in love and chiropractics, right?
Maybe the next time. There we go. On your back here. We're gonna straighten out. We're gonna straighten out your beard here in a second.
Nice.
There we go. All right, we're gonna pull the neck here.
All right.
Nice and easy.
Gotcha.
Good. And one more time. How many houses are you doing right now?
2.
2?
Yep.
Stretch the pec muscles here.
They're not as big as they used to be.
Really? Man, you're
Are they really pectorals now, or are they more like, well, I won't say the word.
There you go. I was going to say,
Yeah.
oh.
I don't need a bro yet.
Oh, this side's tighter right here.
Yeah. It's my dominant arm, so.
Oh, nice.
And I said, why are you asking now?
There, see how far it goes.
Yeah.
So I'm
You're going to pin that, stretch that pec muscle painfully.
Yeah. End of this month.
Well, my anterior delt's been bothering me recently, so.
Really.
Yeah. So that's probably one of the reasons it's tight.
I'll sit you up here. We're going to pop his ears real quick.
All right, cool.
We'll come up for this one.
Wow.
Nice and easy. Nice. And one more time.
You haven't visited yet.
Nice.
I was once told I have the ears of a Greek god. Would you agree with that, or disagree?
I'm trying to think which Greek god I would give you.
Oh well, that's prophecy. I think it's just a question of which Greek god. At least I'm in the fall.
Let's stretch his shoulder here.
All right.
Uh-huh.
There it is.
Oh, it feels so good. It feels so
Your
good.
beard's getting longer as
Oh
well.
my god, it feels so good. Oh,
Yeah.
I'm gonna put you in my pocket and take you home. It just feels so good.
That's why you got Brawny paper in the back of your pants.
Oh my god. If they could bottle this feeling, it would be just, oh, it felt like hotcakes, man. I'm telling you right now.
There we go. And then stretch that bicep tendon.
Oh, it's awesome.
Yeah.
Get it right
So
there.
Yeah.
license for down there, I don't know what
Yeah.
Perfect.
It's so good.
Does it come back this way?
Well, that's it, Jason.
All
Thanks for
right.
coming, man. Thanks for being on.
Well, I feel different.